Hey guys, welcome to DN Sparkle Academy. So let's continue our series of GK Science quiz. Now today's topic is entertainment. So let's start. Please do like, share and subscribe, and for more detail see description box. Question number 1. The world famous painting Guernica was painted by option A. Michel Angels, B. Sandro Botticelli, C. Pablo Picasso, D. Tiziano Vesely. The correct answer is C. Pablo Picasso. Guernica, a large black and white oil painting which is executed by Spanish artist Pablo Picasso in 1937. Question number 2. Which of the following is not a wind musical instrument? Option A. Trumpet, B. Clarinet, C. Harmonica, D. Lute. The correct answer is here D. Lute. Now, wind instrument is one in which sound or music is produced by vibration of air inside a hollow column. So this is a lute. This is not a wind instrument. We can clearly see that this is a string instrument. Question number 3. Which of the following cities is heart of chicken curry industry in India? Option A. Hyderabad, B. Bengaluru, C. Lucknow, D. Chennai. The correct answer is D. Lucknow. Lucknow is the heart of chicken curry industry today and variety is known as Lucknowi chicken. Question number 4. Mohiniyattam is one of the 8 classical dances of India. Where did it develop? Option A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Maharashtra, C. Kerala, D. Odisha. The correct answer is C. Mohiniyattam is a classical dance form of Kerala. Question number 5. Hariprasad Chaurasia is a very popular and eminent artist. Which of the following musical instrument is he associated with? So 4 musical instruments are given here. Let's see the correct answer. Correct answer is C. Flute. Question number 6. The famous painting of Mahatma Gandhi titled Dandi March is on permanent display at the National Gallery of Modern Art in Delhi. Who painted it? Option A. Tayyab Mehta, B. Amrita Shergill, C. Nandlal Bose, D. Abhinandranath Tagore. The correct answer is Nandlal Bose. Question number 7. Lavani, Koli and Gondal are main folk dances of option A. Maharashtra, B. Rajasthan, C. Karnataka, D. Telangana. The correct answer is A. Maharashtra. It is a dance form of Maharashtra. Question number 8. Sonal Manisingh has distinguished herself in the field of A. Vocal music, B. Musical instrument, C. Painting, D. Indian classical dance. The correct answer is D. Indian classical dance. Question number 9. This dance form is one among the 8 principal classical Indian dance traditions. It is living tradition in Assam and is an artist's way of presenting mythological teaching. Which dance form is being talked about in above paragraph? Option A. Kathakali, B. Satriya, D. C. Odissi, D. Mohiniyattam. So the correct answer here is, it is explanation about Satriya. So option is B. Satriya is a classical dance form of Assam which represent Satriya culture, the basis of religious and cultural fabric of Assam. It is one of the 8 principal classical Indian dance tradition. Question number 10. This Indian dance form originated in Andhra Pradesh. A popular theme of dance from Krishna Leela or the life of Lord Krishna. Raja Radha Reddy, Kaushalya Reddy are famous dancers of this style. Which dance form are we talking about? Option A Bharatnatyam, B Mohiniyattam, C Kuchipudi, D Odissi. So this is Kuchipudi. Answer C. Question number 11. He is an Indian classical musician who play the sarod. He was awarded India's second highest civilian honor, the Padma Vibhushan, awarded in 2001. Identify him. So answer is Shiv Kumar Sharma, B. Ravi Shankar, C. Amjad Ali Khan, D. Ali Akbar Khan. So the correct answer is C. Amjad Ali Khan. Question number 12. A string instrument in the guitar family with long neck, 5 string and a round body like tambourine. Identify this musical instrument. A. Banjo, B. Auto harp, C. Biwa, D. Cello. The correct answer is A. Banjo. So this is a instrument which is given in above paragraph. Question number 13. The personality shown in the picture is famous for Odissi dance. Identify her. A. Rukmini Devi, Arundale, B. Kavita Krishnamurti, C. Shubha Mugdal, D. Madhvi Mugdal. The correct answer is D. Madhvi Mudgal. Question number 14. The famous painting, The Last Judgment, was work of A. Michelangelo, B. Pablo Picasso, C. Leonardo da Vinci, D. None of this. So this is famous painting, The Last Judgment. The correct answer is A. Michelangelo. Question number 15. Madhubani painting is done with fingers, twig, brushes, nib paints, matchsticks. Using natural dye and pigment, it can easily be recognized by its eye-catching geometrical pattern. In which Indian state is this art form practiced? So this is a Madhubani painting. Option is A. Maharashtra, B. Gujarat, C. Bihar, D. Jharkhand. So the correct answer is C. Bihar. Question number 16. Select the incorrect match. Here dance form are given and states are given. So option A, Bihu is in Assam. Bharatnatyam is a dance form of Tamil Nadu. Garba, Gujarat. Rof, Uttarakhand. So we have to select incorrect match. So here the answer is D. Remaining 3 are correct one. Roof is a traditional dance form of Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 17. Select the incorrect statement. Option A. Pohila Baisakh is celebrated as New Year in West Bengal. B. Ugadi is New Year in the state of Andhra Pradesh. C. Nowruz is the New Year of Islamic region. D. Gudi Padwa is the New Year of Maharashtra. So we have to select incorrect statement. So incorrect statement is C. Nowruz is Parsi New Year. So this is incorrect statement. Question number 18. Who among the following is first musician to have received the Bharat Ratna Award? Ravi Shankar, B. M.S. Subbulakshmi, C. Bismillah Khan, D. A.R. Rahman. So the correct answer is B. M.S. Subbulakshmi. Question number 19. Which one of the following painting is not a work of Leonardo da Vinci? So he is a Leonardo da Vinci. Option is the Last Supper, B. Assumption of the Virgin, C. Mona Lisa, D. The Virgin of Rocks. And the correct answer is B. Assumption of the Virgin. Question number 20. Unscramble the given word to find out famous painting style from Maharashtra. Option A. Lavi, B. Dha. So these are the unscrambled word are given and we have to scramble and find out the famous painting of Maharashtra. So from this, if we unscramble the word, it will be answer A. This is a Warli. So answer A. This is a famous painting of Maharashtra. Thank you so much for watching this session. Please do like, share and subscribe.